Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer with friend in Craftsman. Okay, let's start the video. Like the video and follow me all the steps. Tap on World. Tap on Create New. Tap on Create New World. Scroll down. Tap on Multiplayer. Make sure multiplayer game is on. Tap on Create. Tap on Proceed. And go back. Save and quit. Your friend has to be on the same Wi-Fi. When your friend creates a world, then you can join him. Thanks for watching my video.